Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. So guys, join me as I show you how to make this powerful fat burner drink. If you want to lose your belly fat quickly, this drink is the right recipe for you. So for this recipe, I'm using some ginger, which I have already thoroughly cleaned and washed, and I'm going to be dropping all the health benefits of ginger for you. I'm also using just a little bit of garlic. Also, garlic is powerful and it helps to lose belly fat. So I'm using some black peppers, and I'm also going to be using some organic turmeric powder. You can use the turmeric roots or the powder, any of them, they work perfect. And I'm also going to be using some lime, which I'm going to squeeze out the juice. So guys, right now I'll go ahead and put all my ingredients into a blender. So guys, if you're enjoying this recipe so far, please don't forget to subscribe, follow my page, click on the like button, and drop me a comment to let me know where you're watching for. Adding black pepper into turmeric makes it work properly, and it helps it to absorb all the nutrients properly. And also, black pepper is a powerful herb that helps to lose weight, boost your metabolism, and help you to lose weight quickly. So I'll go ahead and blend this into a very smooth paste. So you want to make sure you blend this into a very smooth paste. Okay, now my ginger garlic is thoroughly blended. I'll just go ahead and transfer this into a very nice bottle jar. So you need a bottle jar to store this, a very good airtight bottle jar, so it can help you preserve it and don't get bad easily. So this can last up to 1 week in your fridge. All you have to do is just get this out of the fridge anytime you want to use them. Take a tablespoon or a teaspoon, depends on how you want it to work for you, into a warm water, not a boiling water, because a boiling water is going to kill all the nutrients in these herbs, and at the end of the day it's not going to boost your metabolism. Boosting your metabolism help you to lose weight easily and quickly. So you need this to boost your metabolism to help you achieve that purpose. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.